Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope that you are all well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. My dear students, welcome to enjoy the class. Let's see some images and text to give something. Isn't the display very nice? The display is very nice. Who likes a lion? Nobody likes a lion. Who doesn't fear a tiger? Everybody fears a tiger. Didn't the building decorate nicely? The building decorated nicely. Doesn't the dove look beautiful? The dove looks beautiful. What have you guessed by the images and texts? Dear students, today's lesson is transformation of sentence, interrogative to assertive. The end of this lesson, students will be able to identify the structure of changing interrogative into assertive and able to change interrogative sentence into assertive. Dear students, how to change interrogative don't or doesn't into assertive? If the sentence starts with don't or doesn't, then you must follow the structure to change the sentence into assertive. Subject plus base form of verb plus other word or extension plus full stop. Such as don't they play football? The sentence starts with don't. So you have to follow this structure to change the sentence. Subject they and base form of verb play, another word football, full stop. Doesn't she sing a song? The sentence starts with doesn't. That is why we have to follow this structure to change into assertive. Subject she sings a song, here adds s because she is the third person singular subject. How to change interrogative do does into assertive? If the sentence starts with do or does, then you have to follow this structure to change into assertive. Subject plus do not or does not plus base form of verb plus extension. Such as do you write a letter? The sentence starts with do. So you should follow this structure to change into assertive. Subject you do not write present form of verb or base form of verb plus a letter extension full stop. Does she make tea? The sentence starts with does. So we should follow this structure. She subject does not make base form of verb, another word tea full stop. How to change interrogative didn't into assertive? If the sentence starts with didn't, then you should follow this structure to change the sentence into assertive. Subject plus past form of verb plus other word or extension plus full stop. Such as didn't they buy a car yesterday? The sentence starts with didn't. So you should follow this structure. Subject they bought past form of buy a car yesterday extension full stop. They bought a car yesterday. How to change interrogative did into assertive? If the sentence starts with did, then you should follow the structure to change into assertive. Subject plus did not plus present form of verb plus other word or extension plus full stop. Such as, did he go to Coxbazar? The sentence starts with did, so you should follow this structure to change the assertive. He, subject, did not, base form of verb or present form of verb, go to Coxbazar, extension, full stop. How to change interrogative auxiliary verb into assertive? If the sentence starts with given auxiliary verb, then you should follow this structure to change into assertive. Subject plus given auxiliary verb plus not plus principal verb plus other word or extension plus full stop. Such as, have they played well? The sentence starts with have, it is an auxiliary verb, that is why you should follow this structure to change the sentence. They, subject, have given auxiliary verb and not principal verb played, other word well, full stop. Were we singing a song? The sentence starts with where and it is an auxiliary verb. So we should follow this structure. Subject we, given auxiliary verb where, not singing a song, singing principal verb a song, other word, and full stop. How to change interrogative auxiliary verb negative into assertive? Then you should follow this structure. Subject plus given auxiliary verb plus principal verb plus other word or extension plus full stop. Such as, won't they come here? Here the sentence starts with won't and negative. So you should follow this structure to change the sentence. Subject they and won't positive, will, and principal verb come, another word here, full stop. Isn't she singing a song? The sentence starts with isn't and negative auxiliary. She, subject, positive auxiliary is, given auxiliary is, and singing principal verb a song, other word, and full stop. How to change interrogative who, does not, or did not, or auxiliary verb plus not into assertive? If the sentence starts with who does not, or who did not, or who plus auxiliary verb, then you should follow this structure. Everybody or everyone plus present form of verb, yes or past form of verb, or auxiliary verb plus principal verb plus other word or extension. Then who does not wish to be happy? And the sentence starts with who does not. So you should follow this structure. Everyone wishes to be happy. And who will not help the helpless people? The sentence starts with who and auxiliary verb will not. So you should follow this structure. Everyone, auxiliary verb will, help, principal verb the helpless people. Full stop. How to change into interrogative who as a subject to assertive? If the sentence starts with who, then you should follow this structure to change the assertive sentence. Nobody or no one or none plus verb plus extension plus full stop. Such as who trusts a liar. The sentence starts with who, so you should follow this structure. Nobody and trust a liar. Full stop. Who can do this? None can do this. How to change interrogative is or was there any into assertive? If the sentence starts with is there any or was there any, then you should follow this structure to change into assertive. Every plus given noun plus verb present or past plus other word or extension plus full stop, such as is there any mother who does not love her child. The sentence starts with is there any, so you should follow this structure. Every and given noun mother and principal verb present form of verb loves and other word her child, full stop. Was there any man who didn't take 10,000? Here the sentence starts with was there any, so you should follow this structure. Every given noun man and past form of verb got, because there is the did not got, and take 10,000. How to change interrogative? Okay, my dear students, do yourself. Here is some sentences. Change the following sentences into assertive. Do yourself. Try to do it. Isn't internet a computer-based networking system? Didn't the woman become sympathetic to see Taimur? Can't he succeed in life? Don't the books of great writers contain noble thoughts and great ideas? Isn't wasting time harmful for them? Dear students, carry on and try to do yourself into assertive. Okay, now check your answer. Internet is a computer-based networking system. The woman became sympathetic to see Taimur. He can succeed in life. The books of great writers contain noble thoughts and great ideas. Wasting time is harmful for them. Okay, my dear students, no more today. You are advised to watch the video regularly and prepare yourself. I think if you watch the video, it will be helpful for your preparation, and may you live in peace. Allah Hafiz.